Morning. I'm meteorologist Dave Epstein. It's Monday, the 17th of August. Let's get to the weather wisdom for today. And we have a few showers around the area, but not the rain we need. Things are really dry. I was watering containers yesterday. It's just really hard. Once these containers get bone dry like this, it's really hard to moisten that soil up. You just got to keep kind of going back and forth, back and forth, back and forth, or stick them in a bucket because the soil is just repelling the water. And, I just watch it run right out the bottom, and it's just basically a waste of water. So, pretty difficult. Things continue to just be really dry. It's a bit muggy out there today. We've got a few showers, not much rain. We need way more rain than we're going to get. Some of you will just get a few 1/100ths of an inch of rain. Some of you could get several tenths of an inch. It's not out of the question that somebody gets real lucky and gets a downpour, but that's going to be the exception, not the rule. We'll be in the 70s today. Tonight, mostly cloudy, muggy, a little patchy fog down to the 60s. And then as we head for tomorrow, I'm expecting generally partly sunny skies, temperature right around 80, mid 80s on Wednesday. We are sponsored by Hartney Graymont. Hartney Graymont for all your arbor care needs, by the way. And we are looking at more sunshine Wednesday, temperatures in the mid 80s. Thursday, partly sunny, low 80s. And then we should dry out a bit here Friday and into the weekend. But no big rain in sight, and no big heat in sight either. That's at least the good news. But if you're taking a walk in the woods or anything like that, you should really notice that the understory stuff is really getting crispy now, and we're going to start to see some stress show up on the trees. My Stewartia that's out front is already exhibiting some of that stress as the leaves start to kind of crinkle up, and this is what happens with the trees that need a lot more moisture than others. They're the first to go. Real tough to keep things moist in this kind of pattern. Have a great day, everybody.